Readiness for Enhanced Health Literacy is a NANDA health awareness nursing diagnosis involving helping the patient understand, access material, find assistance, and address challenging aspects of their condition. Health literacy refers to the capacity to read and understand health-related information and services to make appropriate decisions and judgments about preventive care and healthcare needs. Here are some quick facts that nursing students need to know about readiness for enhanced health literacy. Definition: health literacy is the ability to access, understand, and apply health information to make informed decisions about healthcare. Readiness for enhanced health literacy refers to a patient's motivation and willingness to improve their health literacy. Assessment: as a nursing student, it's important to assess the patient's current health literacy level and identify areas where they need to improve their health literacy. Goals: setting specific, measurable goals can help the patient improve their health literacy. As a nursing student, it's important to work with the patient to set achievable goals that are tailored to their individual needs. Education: providing the patient with accurate, easy-to-understand health information can improve their health literacy. As a nursing student, it's important to provide patient education that is appropriate for the patient's level of understanding. Resources: providing the patient with appropriate resources, such as health websites and community resources, can help improve their health literacy. As a nursing student, it's important to identify and provide these resources to the patient. Support: providing emotional support and encouragement can help the patient feel more confident about improving their health literacy. As a nursing student, it's important to provide positive reinforcement and support to the patient. Cultural considerations: cultural factors can affect a patient's health literacy. As a nursing student, it's important to be aware of cultural differences and provide culturally sensitive patient education and resources. Health beliefs: a patient's health beliefs can affect their willingness to improve their health literacy. As a nursing student, it's important to assess the patient's health beliefs and provide patient education that is consistent with those beliefs. Learning style: different patients have different learning styles. As a nursing student, it's important to assess the patient's learning style and provide patient education that is tailored to their individual learning style. Follow-up: following up with the patient can help assess the effectiveness of interventions and identify areas where further improvement is needed. As a nursing student, it's important to schedule follow-up appointments and assess the patient's progress towards their goals. Bronchopulmonary dysplasia. Nursing diagnosis: readiness for enhanced health literacy secondary to bronchopulmonary dysplasia, as evidenced by verbalized desire to learn and reflective motivation to improve infection control. Desired outcome: the parent or caregiver will fully comprehend the scope of the condition and use the information to meet health goals. Intervention: examine the parent's health literacy about BPD. Rationale: a preliminary assessment of the parent's health literacy enables the development of a tailored teaching plan or its modification to match their level of understanding. Intervention: examine the patient for alterations in breathing pattern, temperature, mucus color, and unusual or reduced breath sounds. Note respiratory infections among family members. Rationale: enables the nurse to monitor the disease progression and the health management of parents. Intervention: educate parents about the infant's vulnerability to infection and avoid contact with people with an existing respiratory infection. Use graphics or visual representations as prompts and in place of lengthy instructions. Rationale: information should be presented and written in simple phrases with the proper length and use of medical jargon to fulfill the needs of parents or family members. Intervention: emphasize the importance of sufficient sleep and rest to family members or significant others. Ask open-ended questions about whether they understood the instructions. Rationale: increasing parental health literacy will aid in the modification of problematic behaviors and the promotion of disease prevention. This intervention also improves the child's capacity to recover from the disease and minimize relapses. Visit us at nursestudy.net for over 1,000 free nursing diagnosis and care plans.